I think he might be on the phone, that BMW. Oh, she's on the phone. Talking away. I can see her lips moving. There's nobody else visible in the car. Hi. You got no harm from me. Yeah, you didn't know anything that's going on. LP17PVX. Wow, that's the biggest scream I've had before. But she's clearly talking on the phone. I'll just go and apologize for giving her a fright. I'm sorry I gave you a fright. Okay, no harm for you. But the phone, right? The phone, that's why I'm filming you. Yes, but you're holding it to your mouth. Okay. You have a nice day, but don't use your phone like that, please.